Hello guys, this is environmental performance evaluation. So now I will present EPE role and status. This session will be divided by 4 parts. They are production, development, role and status. Firstly, I will introduce our production. National Environmental Policy Act of 1969, published by the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency on promoting the adoption of a systematic environmental impact assessment process in industry. In 1989, NORSK Hydro published the world's first environmental report for the environmental impact. We have to deal with energy consumption, raw material consumption, net water consumption and greenhouse gas emissions. We also have to consider about ISA Eco-Efficiency Index System and Information Storage and Retrieval System. ISA is designed to store information in a form suitable for a specific purpose: documents, bibliographic data, research projects, data elements, etc., hereafter called documents, and retrieve or select the information stored in the form required. For example, global warming is caused by emissions increases of gases that contribute to global warming. Ozone layer depletion, cause of ozone layer gas emissions increase the amount of solid and liquid waste discarded because solid and liquid waste volume increase. Environmental issues needs environmental performance indicators. Non-renewable energy, cause of primary energy consumption increase. Part 2 is our development. Environment problems such as oil and water loss, water pollution, desertification and accelerated extinction. So EPE can get what process? Well, we got new environmental management tools. The new bill and popular participation. EPE is an internal management tool that provides managers with information about how well an organization's environmental system is performing and whether the aims of its environmental policy are being achieved. Environmental performance evaluation, EPE, provides managers with information about how well an organization's environmental system is performing and whether the aims of its environmental policy are being achieved. EPE is a useful auditing tool for assessing whether environmental aspects, objectives, targets and other environmental performance criteria are being met. Evaluating environmental performance is an ongoing process that ensures any changes to an organization's activities, products and services that might affect environmental performance are accounted for in its aims over time. The prospects as a new environmental management tool. EPE is an effective promotion of government environmental management methods. Part 3 is our role. How does EPE work? The missions have diagnosis, guide, communication and learning. The core of EPE: 1. Whether the emission can be stabilized to meet the standard. 2. Whether the discharge is reasonable. 3. Whether the environmental quality reaches the standard after the project runs. 4. Whether the environmental risks are controllable. 5. Compliance of public participation. What we need: a public demand for improved government environmental management, public demand for transparency in environmental management, the complexity of environmental problems designed to help organizations to measure, evaluate and communicate their environmental performance using key performance indicators, KPIs. KPIs help organizations understand how well they are performing in relation to their strategic goals and objectives. Finally is our status. The advantage of EPE: I think we improve environmental performance management, reduce environmental pollution and also in the economic development at the same time to protect the environment, to achieve sustainable economic development. The starting point of EPE: prevention and source of governance. EPE for enterprises: we prevent environmental degradation, supervision of enterprises, more effective control. For our instructor is Dr. Amirami Hamzah Sherry, course number, EMG 4102. System Pengurusan Quality Alam Secular Guidance, Environmental Performance Evaluation. EPE. Our team members: Elizachu, Mingsingbayu, Wangage, Guheo, Wanghuming, Wanayuki and Tsuru. Thank you for watch that.